Omenogor. Omenogor.
Okay.
Omenogor. We did not sleep throughout the night.
What happened?
My wife. The stomach is just boiling.
What exactly is the pain?
She's in pain. We did not sleep throughout the night. Please, is there anything you can do to help me? Please, if there's anything you can do to help me, help me.
It's alright, just put it.
Atai. Just look at your friend. When do you do this? Very sensitive.
Take this mud, put it in her tongue 3 times.
3 times. Okay.
And then take this water. After you have finished touching her tongue, then use this water give to her so that she will drink it.
Wait. I should touch this one 3 times.
Yes.
In her tongue.
Yes.
Then give her this water to drink.
Yes.
And then what happened?
After I just go and try it first.
We did not sleep throughout the night, though.
After I just go first and try it, if it persists, come back and tell me.
Omenogor. Thank you so much.
There is no challenge at time. Atai.
Omenogor.
Atai.
Hey!
What happened?
No be small thing you give me.
Wetin I give you? What
As
happened?
I just dey give my wife that stand, say make I touch the tongue 3 times. As I just dey give her that one, add water, e no reach 5 minutes. She's normal. She won't even follow me come here. Say make she wait make I go give you the good news first.
There's no need for all those ones now.
And my own with you now be say even if I say make I give you money now, you no go collect.
See, all these things that we have, all these things, see, God has blessed us with all these things. All this soil, water, all these things, they're normal things. And for the fact that now because of your faith, now make that thing work.
You mean that?
Yeah, because you believe. If at all, if you do not believe, carry that thing, go and touch your wife's tongue and give her the water. Do you think it would have worked? It's not for work. And the other thing you gotta know be say anybody when they give you something, when they say they collect money from you, so just know say that person is just now fake. We just put us in a fake because God don't give us these things free of charge, and then if we want to do anything for our fellow human beings, you just have to do it free of charge without thinking of anything. So that is why you see I don't even all these things is God's blessing, my brother. That's God's blessing. Everywhere good. There is no challenge. The thing is we'll just keep doing our best and say Atai.
Omenogor. You don't save me.
We'll just go corner now. Your drink and wine.
I want it.
Go.